If you register your company wrong in Nigeria, you are basically wasting your money because someone else can block your registration even if CAC has approved it. Let me tell you something most people won't admit. Many Nigerians think they've registered their company with CAC, but they are still not legally protected. In this video, I'll be telling you the fastest way to register a company in Nigeria. If you register a company in Nigeria the wrong way, you can waste days or even weeks waiting for approval. But in this video, I'll show you the fastest legit method to register your company with CAC in 2026. Step by step without any stress or delay. First, this is strictly about company registration with CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission in Nigeria. And if you follow the right process, you can actually get your company registered in as little as 24 hours to a few days, depending on approval speed. Now, let me break it down. Step 1, choose a unique company name. The first and most important step in your business name registration is name search and reservation. Go to CAC portal and check if your preferred name is available. Do not use common names like Blessed Ventures, Success Enterprises. Those get rejected fast. Instead, pick something unique and brandable. Once approved, CAC will reserve it for you. Step 2, before you even start the full registration, make sure you have a valid ID, NIN, voter's card, international passports, driver's license, and the likes of it. Also, you need to have a passport photograph, company address, details of the directors, shareholders. You have email address, phone number for yourself as a director and even for your witness. If any of these are missing, your application might be delayed. Step 3, register on CAC portal. Now go to the official CAC registration portal and create an account, fill in company details, add directors, shareholders, upload documents, pay the required fees, and that is it. Step 3, submit for approval. After submission, CAC will review your application. If everything is correct, approval can come in very fast, sometimes within 24 to 72 hours. But if there are errors, they get queried, rejected, or delayed. Step 5, download your certificate. Once your application is approved, you will receive certificate of incorporation, a status report, CAC registration number, a MIMARS, and now you can legally operate your company in Nigeria. Common mistakes to avoid. Most delays happen because of wrong spellings of directors' names, poor and unclear documents, choosing already taken company names, using fake or inconsistent information. Avoid these and your registration comes much faster. If you want fast approval, submit early in the week and ensure everything is correct before payment. Many delays are not CAC's fault. It's usually application errors. And that is the fastest way to register a company with CAC. If you find this video guide helpful, kindly like this video, comment CAC if you want me to break down the SCOMO registration, trademark, or business funding in Nigeria for you. Thanks. See you in the next one.